Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First, open TikTok app. Click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Privacy option. Now scroll down your screen. Then click on Blocked Accounts option. Here click on the Unblock option of the account that you wanna unblock. And that is how you can unblock someone on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.